Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Niramaya Yoga. Let's go on in this series to balance the nervous system. One major point of balancing the nervous system is working with the mind. Your mind is a wonderful tool if you know how to handle it. Otherwise, if you're still one with the mind and you think I am the mind, you have a really big problem for the nervous system, because you're on and on reacting on one or the other thing. So how can we keep a distance to our mind? So recently I saw a video and this guy was saying he managed it by giving the mind a name. This is actually a possibility, right? You have immediately a distance if you give it a name. Like let's say he called it Daniel, and then he would say, Daniel, this is not really helpful right now if we're going on like this. Let's find a better way for this, and so on. Yeah, that's actually possible. You could give it a mind if you are not managing to hold the space, the distance between your conscious being and the mind. So being conscious, being aware, mindful and observing, then you have a chance to see what's going on in the mind and to understand what you want to cultivate or what you don't want to cultivate. But beside that, it's impossible to handle this, yeah, because the mind is a tool which gives you the chance to use from every impression, experience, anything, whatever has came to your sense, and all these things. It's there in the recycle bin of the mind, and the mind can find it, whatever has ever happened or you have ever seen or heard or whatever. All the senses have given into the mind, all the experiences, and it can, out of this recycle bin, it can actually create kind of a imagination. But this, whether the past nor this imagination of the future is the truth or is the reality. It is helpful to use the mind, obviously, to make clear decisions, how you want to do things, what you want to cut off, to make especially decisions, yes or no. This is the way, this is not the way, I want to do this, I don't want to do this. But if you're not aware of your mind and it's chattering, then you're actually just reactive to it. Because anything, what you're thinking, goes immediately into your hormones, and immediately the nervous system starts to respond to it. And for example, if you think bad, as I already said in another video, immediately your hormones change accordingly in your body. So it is very helpful to have a certain distance. Don't become one with the mind, but use it mindfully with awareness, and then you can make wonderful decisions. And if you practice yoga, you get even the energy to go for them. So all the best with this, and see you next time.